President Trump just lifted all tariffs on cell phones and computers and semiconductors and all these kind of electronics. Who does that benefit? Benefits NVIDIA, benefits Apple, benefits any computer maker, Samsung, anybody who's building those kind of products who are looking at massive tariffs are now excused from it. So you're going to most likely see on Monday a rise in the Apple computers or Apple, NVIDIA. Amazon probably will get a bump because they sell a lot of electronics on there. And this could be a short-term bounce for these companies who have been just hammered to the south, and could be a great opportunity for a short-term trade. Now, does this fix everything? No, not even close. The consumer's still sucking air. Credit card delinquencies are through the roof. Banks are tight on money. I mean, all of these things factor into it. But from a trader standpoint, a opportunity standpoint on the short term, this creates an opportunity for this week. So here's what I'm looking for. I've made a lot of money on the downside of NVIDIA buying puts. A couple weeks out at the money, it's paid off very nicely. I'm looking now to flip the script and go a little bit bullish on the short term, looking for resistance levels, looking for high implied volatility on these call options, and going into it with a very short-term perspective. Making money in and out real quick, sniper approach. Look at Apple, look at NVIDIA, because they're the highest liquid stocks. Microsoft, any of the Mag 7 for a short-term trade opportunity. But this doesn't mean this is a long-term reversal, that equity markets may go higher. If you go back in history and look at how big crashes happen, it's this footprint. Drawdown, rise up, the liquidity comes back into the market, the equity market, very specific areas. In this area, in this period of time, I'm thinking electronics, because a news event headline has come about saying, we're not going to punish you for buying Apple products or NVIDIA products or any of that, at least for now. And that's going to get a little reprieve on the downside of those companies. Then something else will happen, because this is all headline driven, and earnings will come out. And these companies, in my opinion, are going to come out and guide lower. And that's going to cause them to sell off again. And they'll go into, not this week, but what, the week after, when earnings on these tech companies start coming out. That's my game plan. Short term, keep my risk management very tight, and take profits very quick. That's my game plan. Check us out, Best of US Investors. Check out the Morning Edge. This is the morning call we do, 7:30 Central. Russ, about 45 minutes. We get into markets, we get into things, what's going on, swing trade ideas, short-term trade ideas, long-term trade investment ideas. And then we open it up to the crowd, to the tribe, and we talk what you guys want to talk about. And right now it's been lasting about an hour because of what's been going on. And the reviews, what people are saying is, thank you, I got out of this market prior to it falling apart. I'm now looking for short-term opportunities to profit from all this. All right, it's Sunday, it's beautiful out. I'm back home in the Panhandle of Florida, going out to see the beach. Have a great day, and always, always live loud. See ya.